In The Secret Principles of Genius, author I.C. Robaldo embarks on an exploration of the enigmatic qualities that define genius. By delving into the lives and minds of history's most illustrious figures, Robaldo seeks to demystify the concept of genius, presenting it not as an innate gift bestowed upon a select few but as a set of attributes and practices accessible to all. This comprehensive analysis aims to provide readers with a profound understanding of what constitutes genius and how one might cultivate such qualities within themselves. Defining genius. The term genius often conjures images of prodigious talent and extraordinary intellect. Traditionally, genius has been associated with exceptional intellectual ability, creativity, or originality, often manifesting in groundbreaking achievements across various fields. However, Robaldo challenges the notion that genius is solely an inborn trait. Instead, he posits that genius encompasses a combination of characteristics and behaviors that, when nurtured, can lead to remarkable accomplishments. This perspective aligns with historical views, such as those of Sir Francis Galton, who suggested that genius results from a harmonious combination of intellect, zeal, and the capacity for hard work. Galton's studies indicated that while intellectual prowess is a component, the driving force behind genius includes an individual's passion and dedication to their pursuits. Thus, genius is not merely a measure of one's cognitive abilities but also reflects one's motivation and perseverance. The multifaceted nature of genius. Genius is not a monolithic construct, it manifests in various forms and across diverse domains. Robaldo emphasizes that geniuses often exhibit a range of attributes that collectively contribute to their extraordinary capabilities. These attributes include curiosity, a relentless desire to explore, question, and understand the world. Independent thinking, the ability to think critically and diverge from conventional wisdom. Persistence, a steadfast commitment to overcoming challenges and pursuing goals. Lifelong learning, an enduring commitment to acquiring knowledge and self-improvement. By cultivating these traits, individuals can enhance their potential for genius-like achievements. Historical perspectives on genius. Throughout history, the concept of genius has evolved, influenced by cultural, philosophical, and scientific paradigms. In ancient times, genius was often perceived as a divine spark or a muse-bestowed gift. The Greeks, for instance, believed in the presence of a guiding spirit or daimon that inspired creativity and insight. During the Enlightenment, thinkers like Immanuel Kant began to view genius as an innate mental faculty that enables individuals to produce original works of art and science. This period marked a shift from supernatural explanations to a focus on human potential and intellectual capabilities. In the modern era, psychological studies have sought to dissect the components of genius, examining the roles of intelligence, creativity, and personality traits. Researchers have explored how environmental factors, education, and deliberate practice contribute to the development of genius. This contemporary understanding underscores the interplay between innate predispositions and external influences in the cultivation of exceptional talent. The role of environment and culture. Robaldo acknowledges that while individual traits are crucial, the environment and cultural context play significant roles in the manifestation of genius. Supportive surroundings, access to resources, and exposure to diverse ideas can foster the development of genius. Conversely, restrictive or oppressive environments may stifle potential and hinder creative expression. Cultural values and societal norms also influence which forms of genius are recognized and celebrated. For example, certain cultures may prioritize scientific innovation, while others may value artistic expression. Understanding these cultural dynamics is essential for appreciating the diverse manifestations of genius across different societies and historical periods. Demystifying genius, a call to action. By redefining genius as a set of attainable qualities and practices, Robaldo empowers readers to embark on their own journeys toward exceptional achievement. He encourages individuals to cultivate curiosity, embrace independent thinking, persevere in the face of adversity, and commit to lifelong learning. Through deliberate effort and the nurturing of these attributes, the potential for genius resides within each person, awaiting realization. In summary, The Secret Principles of Genius offers a transformative perspective on what it means to be a genius. By exploring the multifaceted nature of genius and emphasizing the roles of personal attributes, environment, and culture, Robaldo provides a comprehensive framework for understanding and cultivating extraordinary potential. This paradigm shift from viewing genius as an exclusive gift to recognizing it as an attainable state serves as an inspiring call to action for all who aspire to leave a lasting impact on the world. In The Secret Principles of Genius, author I.C. Robaldo delves into the foundational elements that have propelled history's most brilliant minds to unparalleled heights. Part 2 of the book focuses on the principle of curiosity, emphasizing its pivotal role in fostering innovation, creativity, and profound understanding. The essence of curiosity. Curiosity is the innate desire to explore, inquire, and seek out new knowledge. It serves as the driving force behind discovery and learning, prompting individuals to venture beyond the known and delve into the mysteries of the universe. Robaldo posits that this relentless quest for understanding is a hallmark of genius, as it fuels the continuous expansion of one's intellectual and creative horizons. Historical exemplars of curiosity. Throughout history, numerous luminaries have exemplified the principle of curiosity. Leonardo da Vinci, renowned for his insatiable curiosity, Da Vinci's notebooks reveal explorations into anatomy, flight, and engineering. His diverse interests led to innovations that were centuries ahead of his time. Albert Einstein. Einstein's profound questions about the nature of space and time culminated in the theory of relativity, revolutionizing physics. His curiosity-driven thought experiments challenged established scientific paradigms. Marie Curie. Curie's inquisitiveness about radioactive elements led to groundbreaking research, earning her 2 Nobel Prizes. Her dedication to uncovering the unknown expanded the frontiers of science. Cultivating curiosity. Robaldo suggests that nurturing one's curiosity involves deliberate practices. Embrace uncertainty. View the unknown as an opportunity for growth rather than a source of fear. This mindset encourages exploration and reduces the apprehension associated with venturing into new territories. Ask questions. Develop the habit of questioning assumptions and seeking deeper understanding. Inquisitive thinking leads to insights that can challenge conventional wisdom and inspire innovation. Diversify interests. Engage with a broad range of subjects to foster interdisciplinary thinking. Exposure to varied fields can lead to unique connections and novel solutions to complex problems. Reflect regularly. Allocate time for contemplation to process new information and experiences. Reflection solidifies learning and can reveal patterns or ideas that were not immediately apparent. The impact of curiosity on personal and professional growth. Embracing the principle of curiosity can lead to significant advancements. Enhanced problem solving. Curious individuals approach challenges with an open mind, exploring multiple avenues for solutions. This flexibility increases the likelihood of effective and innovative outcomes. Continuous learning. A curious mindset fosters lifelong learning, keeping individuals adaptable in an ever-evolving world. This adaptability is crucial for personal development and professional success. Increased creativity. Exposure to diverse ideas and experiences fuels creative thinking, enabling the generation of original concepts and approaches. Improved relationships. Curiosity about others' perspectives fosters empathy and effective communication, strengthening interpersonal connections. Overcoming barriers to curiosity. Robaldo acknowledges that certain factors can stifle curiosity. Fear of failure. The apprehension of making mistakes can deter exploration. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity mitigates this fear and encourages risk-taking. Comfort with the status quo. Satisfaction with current knowledge can lead to complacency. Challenging oneself to step outside comfort zones reignites the drive for discovery. External judgments. Concern about others' opinions may suppress inquisitiveness. Prioritizing personal growth over external validation empowers individuals to pursue their interests authentically. Conclusion. The principle of curiosity is a cornerstone of genius, driving individuals to explore, question, and innovate. By actively cultivating curiosity through intentional practices, one can unlock new realms of understanding and potential. Robaldo's insights serve as a guide for those seeking to harness the transformative power of curiosity in their personal and professional lives. In The Secret Principles of Genius, author I.C. Robaldo delves into the foundational elements that have propelled history's most brilliant minds to unparalleled heights. Part 3 of the book centers on the principle of independent thinking, highlighting its crucial role in fostering innovation, challenging established norms, and cultivating original ideas. The essence of independent thinking. Independent thinking involves the capacity to analyze information critically, question prevailing assumptions, and arrive at conclusions through one's reasoning. This principle empowers individuals to transcend conventional wisdom, leading to groundbreaking insights and advancements. Robaldo posits that independent thinking is a hallmark of genius, as it enables individuals to navigate uncharted intellectual territories and contribute novel perspectives to their fields. Historical exemplars of independent thinking. Throughout history, numerous luminaries have exemplified the principle of independent thinking. Galileo Galilei, challenging the geocentric model of the universe, Galileo's independent observations and advocacy for heliocentrism revolutionized astronomy and faced significant opposition from established authorities. Marie Curie, pioneering research on radioactivity. Curie's unwavering commitment to scientific inquiry led her to question existing scientific paradigms, resulting in the discovery of new elements and earning her 2 Nobel Prizes. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Inc., Jobs' independent vision and refusal to conform to industry standards led to innovative products that transform technology and consumer electronics. Cultivating independent thinking. Robaldo suggests that nurturing independent thinking involves deliberate practices. Question assumptions regularly, scrutinize commonly accepted beliefs and consider alternative perspectives. This practice fosters a deeper understanding and can unveil overlooked possibilities. Engage in critical analysis, evaluate information meticulously, assessing the validity and reliability of sources. Critical analysis sharpens reasoning skills and aids in forming well-substantiated conclusions. Embrace intellectual autonomy, develop the confidence to trust one's judgment and insights, even when they diverge from mainstream viewpoints. Intellectual autonomy encourages the pursuit of original ideas and solutions. Seek diverse perspectives. Exposure to a wide range of viewpoints challenges one's thinking and enriches understanding. Engaging with diverse opinions fosters open-mindedness and adaptability. The impact of independent thinking on personal and professional growth. Embracing the principle of independent thinking can lead to significant advancements. Innovation. Independent thinkers are more likely to develop unique solutions and creative ideas, driving progress and differentiation in various fields. Resilience. The ability to think independently equips individuals to navigate challenges and setbacks with confidence, as they rely on their judgment and problem-solving skills. Leadership. Independent thinkers often emerge as leaders, as their original perspectives and decisiveness inspire others and drive collective success. Personal fulfillment. Pursuing one's ideas and convictions leads to a sense of authenticity and satisfaction, as individuals align their actions with their true beliefs and values. Overcoming barriers to independent thinking. Robaldo acknowledges that certain factors can impede independent thinking. Conformity pressure. Societal and peer pressures may discourage deviation from accepted norms. Cultivating self-awareness and resilience helps individuals withstand external influences and maintain their intellectual autonomy. Fear of criticism. Apprehension about negative feedback can deter individuals from expressing unconventional ideas. Embracing a growth mindset and viewing criticism as an opportunity for learning can mitigate this fear. Over-reliance on authority. Deferring excessively to experts or traditional sources can stifle independent analysis. While expert insights are valuable, balancing them with personal evaluation fosters independent thought. Conclusion. The principle of independent thinking is integral to the development of genius, enabling individuals to challenge the status quo, innovate, and contribute original ideas to society. By actively cultivating independent thinking through intentional practices, one can unlock new realms of understanding and potential. Robaldo's insights serve as a guide for those seeking to harness the transformative power of independent thought in their personal and professional lives. In The Secret Principles of Genius, author I.C. Robaldo delves into the foundational elements that have propelled history's most brilliant minds to unparalleled heights. Part 4 of the book centers on the principle of continuous learning, highlighting its crucial role in fostering innovation, personal growth, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The essence of continuous learning. Continuous learning is the ongoing commitment to acquiring new knowledge, skills, and experiences throughout one's life. This principle emphasizes that learning is not confined to formal education but is a lifelong endeavor that extends beyond traditional boundaries. Robaldo posits that the dedication to continuous learning is a hallmark of genius, as it enables individuals to adapt to changing circumstances, remain intellectually agile, and contribute meaningfully to their fields and society. At large, historical exemplars of continuous learning. Throughout history, numerous luminaries have exemplified the principle of continuous learning. Leonardo da Vinci, a polymath of the Renaissance era, da Vinci's insatiable curiosity led him to explore diverse fields such as anatomy, engineering, art, and physics. His extensive notebooks reveal a lifelong dedication to learning and discovery. Marie Curie, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win in 2 different scientific fields, Curie's groundbreaking research in radioactivity was driven by her relentless pursuit of knowledge, despite numerous challenges and societal barriers. Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, Franklin was a self-taught polymath who made significant contributions to science, politics, and literature. His commitment to self-improvement and learning is evident in his diverse accomplishments. Cultivating continuous learning. Robaldo suggests that nurturing continuous learning involves deliberate practices. Set learning goals, identify areas of interest or skills you wish to develop and establish clear, achievable objectives. This focus provides direction and motivation for your learning journey. Embrace a growth mindset. Adopt the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and perseverance. This mindset fosters resilience in the face of challenges and encourages the pursuit of new experiences. Seek diverse sources of knowledge. Engage with various mediums such as books, online courses, workshops, and conversations with experts to gain a well-rounded understanding of subjects. Reflect on experiences. Regularly assess what you have learned and how it applies to your life or work. Reflection deepens understanding and helps integrate new knowledge into existing frameworks. The impact of continuous learning on personal and professional growth. Embracing the principle of continuous learning can lead to significant advancements. Adaptability. Continuous learners are better equipped to navigate changing environments and industries, as they can quickly acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive. Enhanced problem solving. A broad knowledge base allows individuals to approach challenges from multiple perspectives, leading to innovative and effective solutions. Career advancement. Commitment to learning can open new opportunities for professional development, making individuals more competitive and valuable in their respective fields. Personal fulfillment. The pursuit of knowledge enriches life experiences, fosters a sense of accomplishment, and contributes to overall well-being. Overcoming barriers to continuous learning. Roboldo acknowledges that certain factors can impede continuous learning. Time constraints. Busy schedules can make it challenging to dedicate time to learning. Prioritizing learning by integrating it into daily routines, such as listening to educational podcasts during commutes, can help overcome this barrier. Fear of failure. The possibility of not mastering new skills can be discouraging. Embracing mistakes as part of the learning process and focusing on progress rather than perfection can mitigate this fear. Lack of resources. Limited access to educational materials can hinder learning efforts. Utilizing free or low-cost resources, such as public libraries, online platforms, and community workshops, can provide valuable learning opportunities. Conclusion. The principle of continuous learning is integral to the development of genius, enabling individuals to adapt, innovate, and contribute meaningfully to their fields and society. By actively cultivating continuous learning through intentional practices, one can unlock new realms of understanding and potential. Roboldo's insights serve as a guide for those seeking to harness the transformative power of lifelong learning in their personal and professional lives. In The Secret Principles of Genius, author I.C. Roboldo delves into the foundational elements that have propelled history's most brilliant minds to unparalleled heights. Part 5 of the book centers on the principle of resilience, highlighting its crucial role in overcoming adversity, persisting through challenges, and achieving remarkable success. The essence of resilience. Resilience is the capacity to withstand and recover from setbacks, obstacles, and failures. It involves maintaining determination and flexibility in the face of adversity, enabling individuals to adapt and continue pursuing their goals. Roboldo posits that resilience is a hallmark of genius, as it empowers individuals to navigate the inevitable challenges on the path to innovation and excellence. Historical exemplars of resilience. Throughout history, numerous luminaries have exemplified the principle of resilience. Thomas Edison. Despite facing numerous failures in his experiments, Edison's unwavering persistence led to the invention of the practical incandescent light bulb, revolutionizing modern life. Helen Keller. Overcoming the profound challenges of being both deaf and blind, Keller's resilience enabled her to become a renowned author, activist, and lecturer, advocating for individuals with disabilities. Nelson Mandela. Enduring 27 years of imprisonment, Mandela's steadfast resilience culminated in his leadership in dismantling apartheid and becoming South Africa's first black president. Cultivating resilience. Roboldo suggests that nurturing resilience involves deliberate practices. Develop a growth mindset, embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and view failures as feedback rather than defeat. This perspective fosters adaptability and continuous improvement. Set realistic goals, break larger objectives into manageable steps, allowing for incremental progress and reducing the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed. Build a support network, cultivate relationships with mentors, peers, and loved ones who provide encouragement, guidance, and assistance during difficult times. Practice self-care, engage in activities that promote physical and mental well-being, such as regular exercise, adequate rest, and mindfulness practices, to maintain the energy and clarity needed to face challenges. The impact of resilience on personal and professional growth. Embracing the principle of resilience can lead to significant advancements. Enhanced problem solving. Resilient individuals approach obstacles with a solution-oriented mindset, increasing their ability to navigate complex challenges effectively. Increased confidence, successfully overcoming adversity reinforces self-belief in the conviction that one can handle future difficulties. Sustained motivation, resilience helps maintain focus and drive, even when progress is slow or setbacks occur, ensuring continued pursuit of long-term goals. Improved adaptability, the capacity to adjust to changing circumstances allows resilient individuals to thrive in dynamic environments and seize emerging opportunities. Overcoming barriers to resilience, Robledo that certain factors can impede resilience. Fear of failure, the apprehension of making mistakes can deter risk-taking and innovation. Reframing failure as a natural part of the learning process reduces this fear and encourages perseverance. Perfectionism, unrealistic standards can lead to excessive self-criticism and burnout. Recognizing that for more compassionate self-assessment and resilience, isolation, lack of social support can exacerbate stress and hinder recovery from setbacks. Actively seeking connections and building a supportive community fosters resilience. Conclusion: the principle of resilience is integral to the development of genius, enabling individuals to persist through challenges, adapt to adversity, and achieve extraordinary accomplishments. By actively cultivating through intentional practices, one can navigate the complexities of personal and professional endeavors with greater fortitude and success. Robledo's insights serve as a guide for those seeking to harness the transformative power of resilience in their journey toward realizing their full potential.